Oh, I just smacked my head out of a box. Hello everyone! So today I got an Influenster box in the mail and I wanted to open up with you guys and show you guys what I got. I think that Influenster can be really fun, especially when you get little surprise packages in the mail. And yeah, I want to show you guys what's in here. I haven't looked inside, haven't even opened it yet, so I don't really know what's in here besides like a couple of the brand names that I wasn't really sure what they even were. So just want to open it with you guys and show you what I got. Before we get started though, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Right there. Also ring your guys' notification bell so you can be notified for all my future videos. And if you want to see what I got in my Influenster box, then just keep watching. So if you don't know what Influencer is, it's an app on your phone that you can download or you can go online and they send you free stuff. And I think it's really cool. I've gotten probably a total of like 5 to 6 boxes from them probably over the past like 2 years. So it's not like you're getting a ton of free stuff all the time, but it's fun to get free things every once in a while. So I'm pretty excited about it. Basically, you just go on Influenster and do surveys, do your little snaps that they have you do, like questionnaires, review products, all these things. And as you do that, your ranking score will go up. I don't know how much that affects whether you get boxes or not. I'm not totally sure, like the algorithm of how they decide who's gonna get boxes. I have no idea, but so they'll send you surveys, and I guess that based off the answers that you provide, they determine whether you're a good fit for their boxes or not. So yeah, I got a survey a couple weeks ago and they sent me a box. So let's go ahead and crack on in here. So I got, this is a little sample packet of Sieste Moi Purifying Charcoal Clay Facial Mask. So just a little foil packet of a charcoal mask. I got the Eva NYC. Oh, it's a temporary color spray. Well, might be putting blue in my hair. It's supposed to work on any hair shade. It says it has argan oil in it. Oh, I have to protect my clothing and skin. Should I do it? I'm scared. Ah, it turned it blue. Trying other things. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm afraid it's gonna like shoot and spray my bed. But it is turning my hair blue. You can't see that like at all, but it's doing it. I'll have to, you know, play with this. Maybe in my next video, I'll come back with blue hair. Oh, did I also get a pink one? I also got a pink one. I got pink. Okay, we're trying this one. Woo! It's totally doing it. You see that? My hair is pink. Sweet. I may definitely have to try this. I also got a hair, skin, and nails gummies. Ooh, I actually want some of these because I really want my hair to grow. I want this open. Just open. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's very smelly. How many do you take? Take 2 gummies daily with the meal. Well, I'll eat a meal soon. These actually taste pretty good. From Nature's Bounty. I always think of Kate and Leopold anytime I hear Nature's Bounty. If you know what I'm talking about, leave it down below. So sweet, I got a little hair vitamin that tastes pretty good and it's a form of a gummy. I don't know why. I'm more inclined to take vitamins when it's in gummy form. It just tastes better. It's like eating candy, but vitamin. And the last thing that is in my box, this is a Coors Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser for all skin types. Sweet. So it says that it's a foaming cream that removes impurities, makeup, and mascara without irritating. It's formulated with soothing Greek yogurt and natural cleansing agents for excellent tolerance by the eye and skin. It's soap free. Wow, that's interesting. I want to see, does it smell like Greek yogurt? I don't know, I can't really smell it. Have a smell. Ooh, it's very like thick. Okay, it has a smell, but it does not taste like yogurt. Or taste. It doesn't smell like yogurt. It smells like a cleanser, like a face cleanser. Interesting. It is like a very thick consistency. Oh, I just smacked my head out of a box. Okay. Now that I hopefully don't have a mark across my face. That is it. That's everything that I got from Influenster. Not bad. Pretty fun. I think I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these guys. Putting some pink in my hair. It says you just shampoo to remove it, so I'm gonna have fun. Maybe in my next video my hair will be pink. So I got all this. I'm actually pretty excited for it. Not a bad little free stuff. there we go. I'll have Influenster linked down below, so if you want to check them out, you can. Like I said, anybody can use Influenster. It's free to anybody, even if you have a channel or a following or you don't, you can use it and you could potentially get free things. So I'm all for that. I'm all for the free stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you guys leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.